Welcome to my presentation. This is a collaborative work with my colleague Dan Glosky and Zoltan Arch. Our paper is focused on the role of work from home on small business performance in the COVID-19 pandemic. Working from home is on the rise, and that varies by different industries. In the COVID, 60 million hours are saved from commuting due to working from home. Among those hours, most are spent actually on primary jobs. Therefore, working from home should have impact on the business performances. And previous data does shows 37% of job possible to work from home varying by industry and profession. Although work from home is on the rise, but the impact on small business is unknown. Small business actually employs almost 50% of American workers, but they are most vulnerable in economic crisis. And teleworking is less frequent in small businesses than the larger business. So if work from home actually helps small business perform better, it will help larger business even more. The question is, does work from home help small business perform better in the pandemic? This is our theory based on the production function. And after focusing on the variable cost and variable revenue, this is work from home, total cost and total revenue, and this is working in the traditional office. And after rearranging to ratios and analyze all the ratios, we eventually find out working from home is a more rational option for businesses. Therefore, we believe a higher work from home rate related to better business performance because of saved turnover cost, elevated productivity, and consistent with literature. And also this effect will be varied by different industry. We control for the local pandemic, economic, demographic, and financial assistance program conditions. Earlier, our theory shows work from home is a more rational choice for small businesses, and in hypothesis 1, work from home is related to better business performance. Therefore, after stay-home order ended, work from home should not drop. And we know in the COVID-19 period, the fixed cost on how to telework is already paid, and awareness of teleworking already enhanced. Therefore, we have this hypothesis. To test hypothesis number one, dependent variables business performance, independent variables work from home rate. For hypothesis number two, dependent variables work from home probability and independent variables after stay home order ended. We used the fixed effect fractional logic as well as two-level mixed effect models and different specification. We used the daily and weekly data varying from March 20th until November 9th for our 20. For hypothesis number 1A, our result does shows higher work from home rate is related to a reduced probability in reduced operating revenue and lower probability in disruption in supply chain and better cash flow positions, indicating all of them indicating better business performance related to a higher work from home rate and after controlling all our other variables. Our empirical model also shows the work from home effects varying by different industry sectors. All the numbers showing in this table are the work from home effects on business performance. And in wholesale trade, retail trade, and professional services, a higher work from home rate is related to a lower probability in reduced operating revenue. But in the construction, health services and accommodation, a higher work from home rate is related to worse business performance. And we also find out the end of the stay home order is results in is related to a higher work from home rate. So as this figure visualized after controlling all the pandemic, economic, and demographic effects. Therefore, our study does show work from home helps small business perform better, and work from home is on the rise even after stay-home order ended from our theory and empirics. Relying on real-time data, and we had our own theory, and this is the first paper on work from home on small business performance, particularly in COVID-19. And we see COVID as a potential opportunity instead of a crisis because of creative destruction that expedited ICT platform and work from home learning curve. And this could have huge HR and urban planning implications. After the vaccine, do we really want to relearn work from home since some costs are already paid? And our future study will including 3-digit NAICS code and spatial patterns.